Hello and welcome to the channel. Look at this Range Rover, sat left here for years. It's an imported model, left hand drive. It's a 1995, but it's been left for years. Would actually clean up very well. Very limited for space to get around this. Show you a little bit inside. The back door opens. She's looking like she's needing a bit of a spruce up in there. Can't get in the front. The trees are growing round it, as you can see. The spiders are living in luxury. No access to the mileage on this, but looking at these seats, there's very little wear. Absolutely clean up like new. If you like Range Rovers, this could be for you. Unfortunately, like I say, it's buried in the corner of this yard here. Now, we would sell this, but the problem is you'd need an helicopter to extract it out of here, I'm afraid. That's as much as I can show you of this one, guys. Now let's have a look at this XJ12 Jaguar sat next to the Range Rover here. We'll have a little look around this one. There's a few other vehicles in here. We're going to film some of them. Have a look at this. Been sat here for years. Tyres gone flat. Been told it was an import vehicle. Quite straight on the body, although she's got a bit of a garden growing up here and there. Let's have a look under the bonnet. As you can see, it's been sat here a good while. If you're a fan of Jaguars, this is quite a straight example, to be fair, for the year of it. Let's have a look inside. They're just not built like this anymore, are they? Smell the leather. If we had smell-o-vision, you could smell it. Now, the leather in this looks like it's hardly ever been sat in. It's absolutely mint. Let us know what you think, guys. See if we can get in the boot. Oof, we're in the boot. Got some wheel centres and a few bits and parts in there. The original Jaguar dish changer. Let's see if we can see under here. It's very good condition under there. There you go. Sorry I can't show you more, guys. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos. We'll see you soon.